So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set your status to idle here on the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Once you're here, I want you to press down and hold on your profile picture in the top left. Then where it says change online status, simply go to where idle is selected and make sure you guys press on that. Now as you can tell in the bottom right of your profile picture, there is that yellow moon, which indicates that you are set to idle mode in regard to your online status. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to change your online status here to idle here on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.